Good morning and welcome everybody. Today's session. Today we are going to see how to upload a property on iConnect and then how to promote it on various other sites. So let's start straight away to the practical. As I have discussed. So today we have uploaded one property already for you, so that we do not have to waste time on it, uploading property. So this is a sample property we have uploaded. Its description is given here. This is a furnished office on rent for corporate use at Navarangpura, Ahmedabad. We have to correct this. Furnished property on rent for corporate use at Navarangpura, which will not do as of now. I'm just suggesting if people is nobody is going to search 4,000 square feet property. So if someone is going to search, he is going to search furnished office on rent for corporate use or furnished office on rent in Navarangpura, Ahmedabad. So we should write title like that, and then we should write all the description, whatever description available with us here. So if anyone calls you, you should only call for price negotiation or when can we see, to ask that when can we see, but not for any other description, whether this is available or not, etc. And we have uploaded some photographs. So ideally we should upload 3 photographs. It is by default requirement. If you will not upload 3 photographs, the property will not be saved. But you should upload as many as photographs. See, it is written here, listing with more than 6 pictures are twice as likely to be viewed by buyers as listing that have fewer than 6 pictures. But we advise you upload as many photographs as you have. And here in this URL you can upload links of virtual tour, YouTube video or a SlideShare which you will be creating today. So you can also paste it here and then save the property. So assuming we have uploaded a property, this property when uploaded properly, it will view like this on website. So remax.in/50502100-371 is the property URL, and it has been written here. As you all know, it will be agent photograph and name and office name here. This is the monthly rent and all the other details which you already know, how it comes and how it is seen by people. So whenever you want to convey how is your property, then you give this URL to your users and they then view it. Now what we will do, we will create one PowerPoint presentation. So what you have to do, we'll suggest that whenever you start doing all these things, you create one folder for each client. Suppose this Navarangpura property, then this commercial property, we have created folder like commercial property 1. You can even give client name also or a Navarangpura property, and in that folder only you keep everything. In that folder only you keep, either you can keep this URL 505021000-371 property, so you know for which property you have done this. So what we have done is we are making one PowerPoint presentation for you. So we have already made a PowerPoint presentation for this property. You can take any template you wish from this PowerPoint and then create property. Only thing you need to take care while you prepare this PowerPoint presentation, that in first slide you will keep the same heading which you have done here, like furnished office on rent for corporate use. So furnished office on rent for corporate use, Navarangpura, Ahmedabad, which would be the title slide for your presentation. In next slide you can put location and description of this property, and then onward you can keep photograph and description, photograph and description. Suppose you can also add photograph title to this photograph. This is the entrance of the office, this is the entrance of the office, whatever the appropriate title it may be. Also you can put a box here, and you can insert the URL of your property, www.remax.in, whatever property URL you have. You can also put another box here in this way, and you can put your name and phone number, so that if anybody wants to call you from any of the slide, it doesn't have to go to last page, that is contact page, right? So we have written specification, then a photograph, then another specification, then some photograph, then features of the property, then some photograph, then rent per month, then some photograph, then your contact detail, your photograph, your office name, your phone number, email ID, a property link, again everything. So you are preparing a PowerPoint visual presentation for someone to see. As you have seen, there is a limited vision to this. This property is shown like this, and he has to go through each and every photograph like this, etc. Instead of the PowerPoint presentation is always more visible and more likable by everyone. So you have prepared a PowerPoint presentation. Now what? Now we will go to slideshare.net. Once you have created PowerPoint presentation, you will go to slideshare.net. If you have an account, you can just log in, and if you do not have an account, you can create one by signing in. And also, whenever you create a SlideShare account, you go to this profile page, because it is must that you have complete profile here. See this, there is a photograph is needed here. Then you need to edit this profile. So here it is. You will upload your photograph here. Then your account type, you can keep default or anything whichever is suitable for you from here. Then your name and surname, your gender, occupation, real estate agent with Remax. About your profile, which should depict that you are into real estate, you are with Remax, you are in a professional real estate broking company, and what is your primary services to your client, whether you are dealing into primary apartment, resale, etc. So everything you want to know, you want to let other people know, okay, who you are and how can you help them. You should write here. You can write your website. Every agent has a web page and a website. So remax.in/P.Shah.K.Patel is your URL. So it is your website. You should write it here, and then select industry. It will be real estate, right? It will be here somewhere. So real estate. So once you are done with this, you go back to this upload. There is an upload button. You click that button. It will ask you to upload your PowerPoint presentation to this site. So while it takes us to that page, we'll wait for a minute. So here it is. So now we will click on this upload. Hello. So we have selected this file from the folder. So now it will upload here. Now you see increase virality with a descriptive title. So we have to give a proper title. So it is selected furnish office on rent for corporate use at Navratpur, Ahmedabad. You can see this virality score. So once this, as and when you will be selecting all these things, suppose you have selected real estate, and when you click, the virality score has increased. Now you have to enter all the description. So what would we advise? You keep a Word document ready where all the details are written properly, which you need to upload. So now we'll copy it here. So you see the virality score increase here. Now we will write of furnished office on rent When you are done with this, you can see this virality score has reached the end. So once it is done, we will save and continue. So now we will save this. So once it is saved, your PowerPoint presentation for this property is uploaded on SlideShare. You can see it here, view presentation. This is what people will see. This is the URL of your presentation you upload. You can copy it here, and as I had told you, you can go to your iList here and you can put it here. So you can do that. We'll come back again here for uploading a YouTube link here, and then a SlideShare, then blog. So now when we are done with this, so you can see, you can go here and you can click here my uploads. So it will show you all the uploads you have done so far. So here in this account we have done 2 uploads. So your upload has done here. What is unique about this is, see, whenever someone will view this, if 2 people will view, it will show 2 people have seen, like this. 194 people have seen this presentation. Also 5 people have downloaded this. If anyone comments on this, anyone likes on this, then it will, this is a like. So if 4 people likes, it will show 4 likes, 10 comments, then there will be 10 comments, etc. You can see this. So what we will suggest, okay, for each property you upload an iConnect, which is a very good, suppose it is a very good property, high value property, and you want it to be viral to reach more and more customer, you need to make a SlideShare, you need to make a PowerPoint presentation and upload it on SlideShare. So once it is uploaded on SlideShare with proper tags and everything, there are high chances that it will come more in Google search when people will be searching furnished office on rent for corporate use, or furnished office on rent in Navratpur, or furnished office in Ahmedabad, something like that. So you need to be very choosy about these keywords. Now we will see how to upload, how to create a video using Windows Movie Maker. So same thing what for this property. Everything we are doing today is for this property, right? So now what we'll do, we will go to Windows Movie Maker. You don't need a good camera and go to property and make a movie. What you need to do, you go to this PowerPoint presentation again. So you go to PowerPoint presentation, you go to the click on this and click save as. Click save as, and from below keep this same as it is name and go to this GIF format, graphics interchange format. What it will do when you will save it, it will ask you, do you want to export every slide in the presentation or only the current slide? So you will say every slide, right? So when you will click save every slide, it will save images of each slide here in this folder. You can see the slides. So what it has converted your PowerPoint slide into an image. This is it. So this is done. So first step was to go to PowerPoint presentation, then save all the slides into GIF images, and after doing that, go to this movie maker and add videos and click on add videos and photos. So when you click add videos and photos, it will take you have to select that folder again. Control A, select all, and then click on this open. It will insert all the slides here, right? So when you do this, you can also, you have a lot of option here. You can record your own narration. This is all designs, these are all themes, whatever themes you want. Suppose it is asking if music has not been added yet. You want to add music, then you can add music also. You can suppose select this, don't speak, okay? Select this music and add it to this movie, and you can just check also, okay, how it will look like. So this way your movie is created. Then what you have to do, you have to go here and click save movie. When you will click save movie here, click here, so it will ask you where to save. So you have to again go to the same folder, click on that common cell front, click this video, and then save here, my movie. So when you click here, now this process will take some time according to this number of slides. If number of slides is less, see, this is a 2 minute and 34 second video. So it will take some time to save. So we are not doing this right now, assuming that you will do this. So we are cancelling this here because we have already created a video for you. A lot of instruction for this one. So that video will be saved here like this. So when we see the video is here, we are not saving this, we are closing this. When it asks, do you want to save changes to my movie? As of now, we are not doing. If you have done any changes, you can click that. So your movie is ready now. It is clear. So now what we will do? We will go to YouTube. Now YouTube is associated with Gmail. So if you do not have any YouTube channel, you go and create it. Right? You will have an option here to log in or sign in. So if you do not have a YouTube account, just sign in just register and then sign in. So we have created one account for you so that we can upload it fast. So we have this account. When you will log in, you will see this upload button. You will just click on that upload. So when this screen is ready, you just click to this upload file and then you go to select this and open. So it will start uploading your movie. It will show the progress here. It will show you uploading. It says some minutes are pending. Again we are making some changes here for furnished office on rent for corporate use, Navrangpura, Ahmedabad, or whatever you want to write it. You will want to go here, keep your slide share open, click on this edit button and go to settings. Wait while the screen is loaded. So we have this screen ready in SlideShare. So what we'll do, we'll select this and copy, and we'll come here and we'll copy this here. Then we'll again go here. We have all the tags ready here. Copy this and copy the tag here. This is what we wanted to do. Again copy this and post it here, right? So once this uploading is done till here, then you can publish, but we'll save here. So it will publish in some time. Meanwhile, it completes the publishing of this video here. Now we will go to blog. How to create a blog for this property. So we will go to let this thing happen until we come back. So now we will go to wordpress.com. So you have to go to wordpress.com, create your account. In WordPress you will have to create your account. Again you go here, edit your profile. In all these sites which we have shown you so far, SlideShare, YouTube and this WordPress, you need a same profile everywhere, same photograph everywhere and same details everywhere, so that anyone who visits your profile finds it perfect and same everywhere. Now when you will be logged in into your WordPress account, you will need to go to this post. In this post you will click on add new. So it will give you a page where we will enter all the details as we have done earlier. For that, as I said earlier, you need to keep this document ready. So now it has come. What we'll do, we'll paste that detail from that Word document and we will add a suitable title here. You can put any title suitable to this post, but ideally it should be same everywhere. What? A title which was written here in this description, Furnish Office on Rent for Cooperative Navarampura, Ahmedabad, which was uploaded here, Furnish Office on Rent for Cooperative Navarampura. Again we have written the same. See, your video is ready. Furnish Office on Rent for Cooperative Navarampura, everything. Everywhere title should be the same way we have written it here. Now you can also add photographs to this post. So what we will do, we will upload photos here. We'll write photo here, then we will go here. You can see here add media. We'll click on it. और આપણે કોઈ ઇમેજ નથી કર્યું ફોર્મેટ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ છે એટલે તો ક્લિક ઓન ધેટ ઇમેજ. So we have a media library here. We had uploaded this property earlier. So we will select some photograph from here and draft. So it is here. We'll select for. We can, as of now there is some problem, but we are going to. We'll select some photograph from here. We'll select and then insert into post. So I will explain this again. What we have done, we will click add media from here. after the description is written, we will write photos and then we will select some photographs. See, we had already uploaded this property earlier, so photos are shown here. Otherwise, you will click it from you will upload it from your desktop or wherever it is stored. Once it is done, we'll come here. Now we will put links. See, we have already uploaded a SlideShare and YouTube for this property. So what we are going to teach you here is very important. See how to embed links from SlideShare and YouTube. See, if you just copy a link here, it will have to be clicked and it will be open in this browser or another browser, and this whole blog will disappear. What we are going to teach you is very important. What you will do now, we'll go to SlideShare. In SlideShare, we will go to that property, right? We'll click on this property. This SlideShare will be opened. Then you will click on this embed. When you will click on this embed, you will have this URL. Just copy. Just click on customize, and this is a short code for WordPress.com blog. So you go here. So this will be the size. So we will copy this. So again I would tell you, go to embed, then you will have an option for this customize. When you click customize, you will get this link. So you have copied this link. Now you will go to that post and you will paste here. So once you have pasted here, it should be in this big open and close bracket. You need not do anything else. Now you will same way will go to YouTube. We'll click on add media here. Insert from URL. You will copy this URL and you will copy it here and then insert into post. See, automatically it will show you this screen here. So insert into post. So it will come here again in open and close bracket. Now our blog is done. So what we will do, we will publish it. So a blog is published now. Most important part of this blog. So whenever you have uploaded one property, then you have created a PowerPoint presentation and uploaded on SlideShare. Then you have created a video using Windows Movie Maker and created a video and uploaded on YouTube. Then you have written a blog, and what you have done, you have embedded that SlideShare and YouTube video in that blog. So most importantly, you will promote this blog everywhere. I will show you what is the impact of this blog. See, you are seeing this furnished office on rent for Cooperative Navarapur Ahmedabad uploaded today. Furnished office on rent, location, specification, features, rent. Then we had uploaded 3 photographs. So the 3 photographs here. Then most importantly, the SlideShare and YouTube link is here. So whoever visits your blog, so you have to promote this blog everywhere. So what will be done? If a person wants to see the SlideShare, when he clicks here, in the same window, it sees another slide, then another slide, then another slide. If you want to see video, you just click here, and the whole video which you have created will be shown here, like this, right? So now what you will do, you will copy this URL, you will go to Your photos again, you can also copy it here. A YouTube video we had taken. Also you can, so that it is shown in your property also. So it is a reverse link happens, and then you can save property. So your blog is done. Now you can promote this URL on your Facebook page, or you can send this to your customers and everyone. So you can promote this. So what we have done today? Today we uploaded one property. Actually we had uploaded property before we started this session, so that the time is saved. Then we tried promoting that property on 3 other platforms. That one was SlideShare. So before going to SlideShare, we created a PowerPoint presentation of all the slides. Then we uploaded a SlideShare with proper text and description. Then we created a movie using Windows Movie Maker. You can use any other software which you may like other than this, but it should be made it like this. Then we have uploaded that video to YouTube. Then we went to WordPress.com and uploaded one blog there, and in that blog we embedded SlideShare link and YouTube link. So in one place we have a link of our iConnect ID, then we have a SlideShare, then we have YouTube video, and then we have a blog. So this creates a good impact on your customer. So whoever visits your property has an idea, he gets an idea that this person is promoting this property on several platforms. So he is a professional person. And the same way, this reaches to so many people, because in Google earlier you had only your iConnect ID and that description, right? And that was a 50 character limitation. Then you uploaded a SlideShare, then you uploaded a YouTube video, then you uploaded a blog. So you have now 4 uploads for one property. So whenever you have used proper tags for your property while uploading, so it will go up in Google ranking. And when people would be searching a commercial property on rent in Navrangpura, or commercial property on rent or something like that, there are more chances that your property will come on top. So do you have any question? If any of you have missed anything, you can write us or you can call us any point of time, and we will be happy to help. Thank you very much.